Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to draw very small and simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you this cute doggy, and for this picture I need only 4 felt pens: black, green, brown and pink. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I start my drawing from the top left corner of the picture. From this box I should paint over 9 boxes down. Here go diagonally to the right and painting over 3 boxes down. Go diagonally to the left and painting 4 boxes vertically. Go diagonally to the right and painting 2 boxes to the right. Now 1 box diagonally. Go diagonally to the right and painting over 2 boxes to the right. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 7 boxes to the right. Now go diagonally to the right and up and coloring 2 boxes to the right. 1 box diagonally. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 4 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and painting over 3 boxes up. Turning to the right diagonally and painting over 9 boxes up. Go to the left here and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the left and down and coloring 3 boxes one by one. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 7 boxes to the left. Here go diagonally to the left and painting over 3 boxes one by one diagonally. And from this box go to the right and coloring 2 boxes to the right. Now from this box go diagonally to the right and painting over 3 boxes one by one. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right and painting over 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 2 boxes to the right. And 1 box down here. And from this corner go diagonally to the right, painting over 2 boxes up. From this box skip 2 boxes to the left, coloring 1 box. Go diagonally to the left, coloring 2 boxes to the left. And 1 box down here. From this corner go diagonally to the left, coloring 2 boxes up. From this box go diagonally to the left and coloring 3 boxes one by one. Now from this box skip 3 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3 and 4, coloring 2 boxes to the right. Here go diagonally to the right, coloring 3 boxes to the right horizontally. Go diagonally to the right, coloring 2 boxes horizontally. 1 box diagonally to the right here. And here 1 box. From this box skip 1 box up and coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. From this box skip 1 box up and coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. Go up and coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. and one box in the middle here. Now I take green felt pen and color in this box and this box by green. Now I take pink felt pen and color in 3 boxes by pink here. From this box skip one box up and painting over 4 boxes vertically here and 2 boxes vertically here. From this box skip one box up and painting over 4 boxes vertically here. Go to the left and color in 2 boxes here. Now I take brown felt pen and from this box, from this corner, draw a line 3 boxes up here. From this corner 3 boxes up here. 1 box here and 1 box here will be brown. These 2 boxes coloring by brown. From this box draw a line 3 boxes up. 1 box to the right, 1 box up. From this side here 2 boxes I'm coloring by brown. And draw a line 3 boxes up. 1 box to the left, 1 box up. And painting over these boxes by brown. I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very simple, small pixel art picture. If you liked my video and this picture very cute doggy, please give me your likes under the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.